This video tutorial will show you how to update your contact information and include a short biography on your home page in onQ. So today we'll be using this course just as an example. Beside contact information, you'll choose the down arrow, click on Edit this widget, click on Content. We'll scroll down, and here's where you will plug in your information. So you can erase this, type in your name. Rather than deleting this email address, we're going to click on it so that it's highlighted, and then click Insert Quick Link. And here is where you will type in your information. And we'll choose a new window, Update. The reason for doing that is so when candidates click on your email address, it will automatically open a new message so that they can send you an email directly. Down here, you can delete biography and type in a short biography about yourself. If you like, you can click on Preview Widget and expand this, and this will give you an idea of what it will look like on the course homepage. You can click on Close, and if you're happy with how it looks, click on Save and Close at the bottom. Click on Course Home. And that's it. You should now see your name, email address, and a short biography down here on the homepage of your course in onQ.